Ala, so emotional. In fairness, pwede pala mag-Broadway to si Julie. Iba. Wow! Parang maiiyak tayo for today's video. What's up everyone, it's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asian Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for the real-life BFF. Mag-BFF talaga to. Julian San Jose and Rita Daniela para sa kanilang cover song ng For Good, For Wicked For Good movie theme song. Yes, ito nga ay requested ng ating minamahal na si Sir Boycie. Mega love shoutout sa iyo, Sir Boycie. Isa sa mga queenies. Mega love shoutout mga queenies. Welcome back to me and welcome back to you. And of course, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Ay, grabe, ang Wait lang guys ha. Look at the makeup. Grabe, sa taping ba to o talaga namang gusto lang nilang bumongga ng makeup for today's video? Look at Mami Rita's makeup, same as Julie. Grabe, pak na pak, atake. Sino ang magiging Glinda natin for today's video? Oh, it's Julie.
That people come into our lives.
Ay, grabe, very Ariana Grande, ha?
For a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led.
Ay, in fairness, pwede pala mag-Broadway to si Julie. Iba rin ang yung, alam niyo yung nag-change siya ng genre in terms of what is needed to the song, diba?
To those who help us most to grow with, we let them, and we have them in return.
In fairness.
Well, I don't know if I believe that's true, but I know I'm who
Look at
I
Mami
am
Rita,
today because I knew you.
In fairness, the emotion and how Julie is singing it, we can feel the emotion of the song. I love it, Julie, and I love her outfit.
Like a comet, both morbid.
Ala, so emotional.
Like a stream that meets a boulder.
Diba?
Halfway through the world, who can say if
Wow, I like that.
change for the better?
Grabe yung emotion and control. Parang maiiyak tayo for today's video.
But because I knew you, I haven't changed
Wow.
for good.
Walang kupas, Julie, and the emotion of how genuinely she sing this, damang-dama talaga, guys. Aminin nyo yan. At syempre, this is Julian San Jose, diba?
Well, maybe
Ay,
that we will never meet again in this lifetime.
grabe yung Mami Rita, parang iiyak na, ha?
So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me.
Hold on, guys. Grabe na miss kong pakinggan ng Mami Rita. That sultry vocal into Broadway version is so good to hear. It's so soothing.
Like handprints on my heart, and now whatever way our stories end.
Diba? Yung, alam niyo yung kahit na lang, yung nuisance lang yung yung vibrato na binibigay niya, you can feel how emotional diva talaga itong si Mami Rita.
I know you have earned mine by being my friend.
Nakakainis. Iba yung emotion. Bakit ako puro emotion? Sana emotional lang yung kinanta ko. Charit. But, iba. You can feel it. Pinipigilan ko lang yung sarili ko. At pasensya na kayo dahil ini-stop natin. Kasi guys, hindi ko na naman ma-upload to. Oo.
Like a ship long from its mooring by a wind of the sea, like a sea dropped by a skybird in a distant wood.
Parang lullaby, no? Alam mo yung parang kang hinihili ni Mami Rita. At the same time, you feel the emotion on how she is singing this version.
You can say I've been changed for the better.
And the diction.
Because I knew you.
Diba?
I have been changed for good. Just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness.
Bakit ganon?
For the things I've done, you blame me for.
Wala pa tong microphone, guys, ha?
Then I guess there's more to blame to share.
None of this matter now.
And none of it seems to matter anymore. Like the call of the
Wow!
as it passes us.
Ang ganda ng harmony. Andito pa rin talaga yung strength ng Queendom kahit dalawa lang sila.
Wind of the stream that meets the ocean, hurried through the wood.
Ang ganda. So soothing.
You can say that I've been changed for the better.
Ako lang ba, guys? Parang ang sakit. Oo, na-reminisce ko yung movie. If you watch Wicked for Good, this part of the movie is really touching. And they are giving it to us right now.
I do believe I have been changed for the better.
Wow, that low note is amazing.
Because I knew you. Because I knew you.
Iba.
Because I knew you.
Wow.
I have been changed.
Oh my gosh.
For
Hey! Oh my God! They did it so well! There you have it, guys. That is Mami Rita Daniela and Julian San Jose for their cover song of For Good from Wicked for Good movie. Oh my God! Iba! It's a piano version, but you can feel and you can say that I've been changed for the better. Oh, iba. This is a for good performance at talaga naman the emotion and the way that they're saying it is very emotional. You can feel the piano, the genuine friendship and how they sing it for each other. Parang akala ko nga maiiyak ako kasi iba yung goosebumps, iba yung pakiramdam to listen to a piano version tapos very soft lang yung atake nilang dalawa. Walang alam mo yung walang flair of vocal. It's just genuine softness and emotion all in. Oo, bilangin nyo kung ilang emotion ang nasabi ko for today's video dahil talagang very emotional yung naramdaman ko the way that I'm listening to it. So, sobrang ganda. What about you guys? What can you say about this version of Julie and Rita? You can comment down below. And of course, that's about our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.